Hey, what's going on, guys? Now, in this video, we are going to talk about how to comment GIFs on Instagram. Now, there is a new update on Instagram that you can actually comment GIFs or GIFs, whatever you call it. So, this is a new feature that is rolling out to selected regions. Now, let's go ahead and open up Instagram. So, the thing here is I don't have it because it hasn't rolled out in our region just yet. But for those of you who wants to know how it looks like or what's it gonna do, so basically whenever you comment or leave a comment to a post in here, there is going to be an option here to send a GIF or GIF, whatever you call it. So you can tap on it and all the GIFs in the Instagram platform is going to be available for you to use. So if you don't have it yet, you can just wait for it to roll out to your region, update your Instagram, and you should be good to go. All right, now I hope that information is helpful for you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I'm going to see you in the next one.